my gosh. Nah, NIA Wigs, you really did us like this? Neon Cowood, slim racer sunglasses. Nobody can chat to you. Nobody can actually chat to you, period. Your girl Melanicious, your favorite melanated content creator that creates lifestyle videos. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing from NIA Wigs, and I got sent this wig and I personally am really excited to try it out. It's a headband wig. I've never had a headband wig in my life, but apparently it bangs, so let's unbox it. So the packaging is really it's really nice. Like, it's got this like purple almost royal feel to it, and inside the packaging it comes with all of these different headbands. Like, it comes with a lot, like it has options still. So yeah, there's loads of different headbands for you to choose from, and my personal favorite is this red one. As you can see, I've opened it already, but yeah, my favorite is this red one. I don't know, I just like it. I haven't worn a bandana since like year 9. If you're a friend of me in primary school, you know that I always used to have my braids up in a ponytail and I used to have a bandana in front. That was my look every day of the week. And the wig comes inside this plastic bag, and I got the headband lace wig in 18 inches, natural black, and I also got it YAKI straight. Now, so soft! Oh my days, I can't. It's so soft on it. I'm gonna quickly put this on. I need a mirror and I don't have a mirror in front of me here, so I'm gonna put it on the bathroom really quick. Oh my days, guys, look at that. Instant. Oh my days. Nah, I'm actually speechless because of how like effortless this is. Like 3 seconds, that was it, and I'm ready. All I need to do is put on the other headband, which is gonna be this one. Oh my gosh. Listen, if you're part of frontal gang, you know how long it takes to do frontals in the morning, and sometimes you're just not in the mood for it. So I feel like this is just so perfect. Yeah, what you can do is just like adjust this to tuck this in so that it's the same size as the headband, because you don't want to see the black part of the headband when you're wearing the other headband on top. And boom, like that's it. Listen, it comes with combs as well, so you know sis is secure with no glue. What more can we ask for? Please, somebody tell me, what more can you ask for? Running my fingers through it, what shedding? Ignore my hands a bit dry. I washed my hands and I haven't creamed them yet, but where is the shedding? Let me know. I'll wait. Where is it? Oh, non-existent. Error 44, not found. Because you know when you're going to the gym, when I'm going to the gym, I always just slap on an old frontal wig. Like, do you ever have them wigs where it's at the beginning you get them and it's like, ah, and then after a while it gets old and it's just like, yeah, this is my gym wig. But it's like, it's really itchy and uncomfortable, and I would want to pack my hair up when I'm going to the gym, and this is why this would be so, oh my gosh. Nah, NIA Wigs, you really did us like this? As in, Rising YAKI straight 18 inch. This is so nice, guys. Like, it looks so natural, and it literally feels, I'm telling you the truth, it literally feels like my natural hair. It doesn't feel like I have a wig on. You know, some wigs, even though it's really thick, it'll start to feel really heavy. It feels so light, and you can tell by the bounce in it as well. Oh my gosh, guys, you know, that little, yeah, I just woke up and packed my natural hair up. Have you seen that meme?
Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know? How would they know?
I'm gonna quickly show you guys the different headband looks. The like button and make sure you press subscribe. This is the tropical one. I don't know why I'm calling this tropical one. None of these are actually labeled with names or anything, but this is just really giving me tropical summer vibes. You know, summer loving, summer fun. I feel like really good summer music would bang to this, just like. You could style this one up, like you would wear this one with like a really nice black bodycon dress, like something a bit sleek. And if you had your hair like, I don't know, packed in a low bun. Ooh, can you see the vision? Comment down below if you can see the vision, because yes, this is the black one. Or you could wear this one with like a neon, you know, them neon cowards with like the cycling shorts, and then put the hair in the ponytail. Oh, that V or whatever. I mean, nah guys, this would be lit. This with a high ponytail, highlight, contour, face beat, neon coward, slim racer sunglasses. Nobody can chat to you. Nobody can actually chat to you, period. This is such a winter vibe one. Yeah, I can really see this working with a nice autumn winter transitional outfit. Which I feel like this one gives me really like holiday vibes. I feel like this is the one I would wear on holiday with like a nice flowy maxi dress. Yes, baby girl. Okay guys, that was the last headband try on. If you guys are looking for a wig that's easy, low maintenance, nice and simple to style, then this is literally the wig you need to get. Can't stress enough how soft it is, how natural it feels, how lightweight it feels, how easy it is to just, you know, put up. Because it's like, that's why people are buying 360 wigs. At the end of the day, not everyone can always afford that. This is super affordable, so I'd really recommend this wig to you guys. I feel like this is just a must-have in your wig collection, period. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you click the subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below what your favorite headband was and whether you want me to do more try on wig videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.